This mysterious man, he is Sir Mark. He has crossed the walls between dimensions, arriving from an era when the pen was first invented. The woman is startled. "Who are you? You appear out of nowhere. I can't tell if this is a dream or reality." Sir Mark replies, "Ha ha ha, don't worry. From now on, I'll take care of it. You just talk with your co-workers. Ha 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 ha." With Maki, the moment you have a conversation, work tickets are created automatically with deadlines, owners, and priorities included. Not just text messages, but even when you're in offline meetings. While you simply focus on talking with your teammates, Maki takes care of the rest. It automatically writes what needs to be done, the decisions you've made, and even the things Maki can handle for you. From your conversations, Maki figures out what needs to be done, drawing illustrations, writing documents, or even asking friends in other castles for help. MCP, was that what it was called? Well, something like that. Even conversations from phone calls are automatically turned into action items and decisions like this. A simple summary is not enough.
From this moment on, I shall take over.
From now on, when you work with Maki. Mark intelligence, Maki.